Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, March 27th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel linked at the end of this video down here in the corner. And don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to gain access to all these benefits below and more. So the US dollar Swiss just keeps on bouncing its head off that 78%. It definitely has not been able to really close above that area yet. Really, how many times could you have gone short on this move? Actually, quite a few, and pretty much every one of them would have been decently profitable. The trend is technically down on the daily time frame. If you go to the daily, the trend is definitely still down until we get a break of this structure right here. The trend is down, and it could always make a lower high and continue down to the next Fibonacci level and beyond. So we have to be a little bit careful with assuming that it's going to break structure, even though I still think there's a good chance that it will. Because, if you were just looking for shorts at Fibonacci levels, you've been doing pretty good. There's still another chance that this is just going to push down again. And it could always just continue the downtrend. So I'm definitely still recommending shorts unless we get that daily time frame break and hold above structure. If that happens, then I would go back to looking for longs in an uptrend. But right now, yeah, 78% fib bounces, nice engulfing moves to the downside, seem to be the way to go for now, for sure. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.